What's up, babes? How are we? How are we? Welcome back. Welcome in. All of that jazz. Thank you so much for swinging through over here on Home Sweet Dobbins. It's been a second, hasn't it? A little bit of one. Look, y'all, I am trying to get it together today because, listen, I think I bit off more than I could chew. I think I did. Let me tell you something. Y'all, maybe I should show it to you first. Let me show it to you first, okay? Why did I have hubby to take out the Christmas decor? Why? We just made it into November. Why did I do this? And now it got me kind of like I'm overwhelmed again. I don't know. I need to stop. I do need to stop. But there again, I do want it to be out so I can see what I have, what I don't have. But there again, but my family room is all out of sorts. So now I gotta sort through this. But mainly I'm going to start with that box right there. Because guess what? Don't mind the little throw blanket. That was actually a partnership I had with All Smiles, which is a cute Christmas blanket that's going to go somewhere, okay? But right now, we're going to go through that box because that's my Avon order. Let's go. So unfortunately, the lighting is trash over here, but we're going to get through this anyway because I need to get this one box at least out of the way. And I'm going to actually put some of the things where they need to go, okay? And that way, that'll be out of the way. But y'all, this box is a bunch of every little thing. So the camera's kind of crooked, but I couldn't fix it. Something wrong. I can't fix it. Y'all know I'm an Avon Ambassador, and I'm so proud to be for now 6 years since I re-signed up. However, probably 20 years of my life I've been an Avon rep. So online now only. That's all I do. But you'll find the link in the description if you want to shop my online store. So please do that. But I did pick up me a hat, a little baseball cap that I could wear during the cold weather. Oh, so cute. So cute. Nice. And I guess it doesn't have to be just for cold weather. It could be any time. My head is so short on top. Perhaps I just need to start getting kids sizes or something. I don't know. But that's cute. And now that the hair is all messed up, girl, whatever. Let's move on to the next item. We have a box here of mini Santa figurines, a set of 3. Let's see what we got. I was able to find a lot of things on clearance too. Oh, so cute. Okay, Santa Claus. Santa Claus is actually laying down. I thought he would be this way, but this one is laying down. Here's one with a gift. He's standing up. Okay. And he is standing up or look like he's picking up a present. So that's going to be cute. I look forward to letting y'all see my Christmas decor setup for Vlogmas. So y'all will see these again. Oh, and so they're not like glass. They're kind of like, I guess they're like a resin kind of something or another. So that's a good thing. So I don't have to worry in case Royal picks them up and accidentally drop them. So hopefully they will survive the fall. Okay, we'll sit those over there. All right, we have a wooden sleigh calendar. Oh, so cute. I don't really know where to put everything, but it has days until Christmas. Okay. How many days do we have before Christmas? Alexa, how many days before Christmas?
Thursday. Would you like me to say this?
No, thank you. So we have 52 days before Christmas. So this will be fun, counting down. Ta-da! 52 days, y'all. And I'll cut that off. 52 days until Christmas is here. Are you ready? Are you getting ready? I'd love to know. That's cute. I guess I'll keep these little boxes to put those little trinkets back in there. I guess. I'm not sure. I'm just over the box thing, I swear. Y'all, if y'all recall, on Sweet Angel TV, my other channel, I actually did my Avon fragrances. And guess what? This candle is a waffle cabin candle, but the scent is from the Layered collection, and this one is vanilla waffle maple syrup smoked bacon. Girl, what is this gonna smell like? We hope it's gonna smell good. Oh, it does. That just made me so freaking hungry. That made me hungry. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells good. It smells, my mouth is watering. It smells just like waffle syrup. What did you say? Vanilla waffle maple syrup and smoked bacon. Vanilla waffle maple syrup and smoked bacon. Girl, all I need is some eggs.
Start recharge. Recharging paused.
That's my robot vacuum, y'all. But this is heavenly. Oh my gosh. I'll just put that right here for now. Ooh, child. I'm trying to get trying to get to the tiny items first. So Royal loves lip glosses and lip balms. So I bought her a Hello Kitty lip balm, and it's a macaroon shape. It is Amazon delivery. I'll get it in 2 seconds here. But this is the Creme X. Let me get that. Hold on, y'all. Okay, just a few Amazon packages, so maybe we'll look and see what's inside of there as well. Okay, let's carry on. So I was talking about the little lip balm here. I'll set that over there. All right. Ooh, I got me a foundation. This is the FMG Cashmere, the Soft Focus Foundation. Someone asked me in one of my shorts on Sweet Angel TV what I was wearing, and this is what that foundation is. Has become my favorite, yes, of all time. So this is that. Well, I'll go ahead and let y'all see what it looks like here. And I'm glad they now have, it used to be like a spoolie kind of thing that you get the makeup out. They've changed it to a pump. So glad about that. Good, good, good. Love that for me. And for Miss Royal, bubble bath time, the Avon Senses. This is the Merry Mistletoe bubble bath. Okay. I'm sure probably can't smell a thing because it's sealed up, but we'll put this in the bathroom for her. I'm trying to get her out of the mode of Halloween. Halloween is like all in her head right now because it was a month-long thing of learning about it, and now she's like, everything is Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. Oh my goodness, October 31st did not come soon enough. So listen, we done with Halloween. Let's move to the next holiday. So now she's getting Thanksgiving, and turkeys and pumpkins, and I'm trying to get her into that and move her into the Christmas segment. So we're working on it. But I think when she sees the vision of Christmas come to life in front of her right here at home, and then she'll relate it to some of the videos that she watches, then she'll be like, hey, I got it. So, all right. I think we have 2 items here left, and let's see what we have. We have a reindeer. This is too cute. This is too cute. This is the whimsical forest reindeer. It's a girl reindeer, and I guess you can just sit it on like the mantle or somewhere. Okay. So cute. Oh no. Check this out. Put batteries in it. Let's see what it does. I don't even know what I ordered, y'all. This is crazy. Okay, so it just basically illuminates. Oh, well, we'll find out soon enough. So I guess it just illuminates certain parts of it, maybe the scarf. I don't know. I don't even know, but we'll find out soon enough. The little animals gotta get themselves together, don't you say? Okay, you sit right there, little girl. Long legs, like royal legs. She's got long legs. And finally, boom. What do we have? Sledding Christmas greeter that lights up. Needs batteries as well. I'm glad I stocked up on batteries, that's for sure. Girl. Okay, he's kind of all tied up. All right, I had to cut it loose, and in the process, I picked up a couple batteries. Okay, so this says Joy, and we got a battery pack here too. All right, Santa, let me go. You're getting too snug. We're gonna go ahead and put this in. Well, dang. Now I need a screwdriver. All right, y'all, I got the batteries in. So cute. This is so cute. I guess I'll put this by the front door. Where's Santa? In some kind of way, I guess he velcros on holding up the sign. So we'll figure that out. But that is so cute.
Yeah, I need that.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sure Roll is probably gonna think it's a toy and be trying to like, ooh. Oh, Santa is so fat. His belt rolls up just like mine do. Look at there. Get him situated, girl. I didn't even know he had a belt on. Oh, look. Oh my God. He stretches out. Y'all, I got a lot to learn about the stuff I just bought, because I swear I had no idea. He stretches out long. Oh my goodness. That's too cute. Anywho, I think that is it, y'all. I guess I'll put a battery in this one and see what it does, but that is it for the Avon. It's another item. What's wrong with me? Y'all, I didn't even see this. I had set it on the floor. It's a reindeer. It's for the living room. Oh, look. I don't know why they always have the reindeers, and I know that's how reindeers stand and look with their heads backwards, but it'd be looking so weird.
That's pretty. You got sparkles?
A little bit, a little glitter. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I love it. So, that Amazon stuff, what I'm going to do is probably hit y'all up on Sweet Angel TV, because I'm pretty sure it's stuff that belongs in the fashion or whatever area. I don't know. I got some PR packages in, so I'm not sure what came, but I will hit y'all up in the next one. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. That was pretty cool. I'm excited now. I think I'm excited to finally get this mess situated. So y'all stay tuned for that over here, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye.
Sunrise paints the sky with shades of gold. Coffee cup in hand, stories yet untold. The same old streets, but I'm feeling new. Walking through the rhythm of a life I knew. Sometimes it's heavy, sometimes it's light, but I keep on moving through the dark and bright. It's just another day in my life, trying to find the love, trying to find the light. With every breath, every step I take, I'm learning more about the dreams I made. Oh, it's just another day, but I'm grateful anyway.